to the customer's house is assess the depth of the scratch. Most of them are going to be superficial. That means you won't be able to feel it with your fingernail. You'll have, and these are small to fit the little kid. They're 16 ounce. Customer has to fill them to the top with water. Shake them real good, and that's good enough to go.
What's the shelf life?
Forever. However long the water will stay.
Heat sensitive or no?
No.
So they can drive around with it in the back of their vans in Phoenix.
Absolutely. There's no shelf life, which is huge, because we all have glue problems here in the valley driving in the truck. All right, so ideally, the big kits also come with a mask. So we want the customer to use a mask. I'm not going to put it on simply because I won't be able to talk through it while we're doing this. But it's silica dust. It's not as bad as granite, but it is a glass. So, and you'll see there's hardly any dust at all that comes off here. But you're better safe than sorry. So on most machines, you're going to run them about half speed. And for those of you that don't know face polishing, we start with the machine on. Typical rule of thumb is on, off, off. Okay? It is a little, goes against what we all know about face polishing. Face polishing usually use little turbos. They're hard. This is a soft. What comes in the kit is, it's not super soft, but it's got flex to it. So you want to start on, and we're going to work the area right here. So it'll get pretty hot pretty fast. We're already up to 134. We've got a 120 degree swing. So we're at about 60, so we won't want to go past 180. And this is how you get the buildup off. Once again, it's about all the dust you're going to get in somebody's house.
You have to put a lot of pressure on it?
Not a whole lot, no. But that one over there is gone, just mostly.
Yeah.
When we hit it a little bit more.
Because
Because you want to see, because some of these you can start with the gray disc. If it's really minor, like this one over here, we could probably hit it with a gray disc and get rid of it.
What's the temperature of the stone right now?
It's still at about, well, it's gone down, about 125 right at that. We've had a roundtable discussion with some of the OEMs, because their thought is this sheet is fired at 2,800 degrees. They're thinking this little temperature isn't going to hurt it. Well, we've already seen it crack. You get up to about 250 to crack the glaze. So we want them to stay with that 120, within 120 of the ambient temperature. So this is at about 60, so we want to be 180 or less. And the reason we feel like is we're working on this big of a piece, the whole rest of it's cold. When it cools off, it's going to contract. And so that's where the cracks can come in. We know that it'll go up to about 250. You're probably never going to see anything much past 180, maybe 200. So you can go a little bit faster once the disc gets all clogged, but typically you're going to want to run right around 1800, 1850 RPM, which on the standard machine that most shops use is going to be a 9227C Makita, and number 3 is about 1800. 800. Which is the same with the metabos that you guys make. Okay, so we'll rough up the hard felt. It's just a standard hard felt pad. So it'll take the polish a little better into the pad. So you don't need much, 3-4 drops maybe.
And that's the white.
Yeah. We're gonna use the white on this. All the way down to 600 RPM. The metabos only go to 800. Even the felt will get it hot. Boy, there's some heat coming off the thing. And it's not bad, 155. But you see how we got rid of the long one? This one that was over here.